Hi friends, these are my collection. It's more than 1 year now since I have them. They are called the fisher birds. Yeah, initially I had 2 pairs and now you can see how much it has grown into. And I'll just show you a glimpse of the eggs also which they have laid. Okay, hope so. Is it clear? Can you see that? Yes. These fishers are really typical friendly birds, and when after they lay the eggs, in order to hatch them, they start cutting these paper pieces. They cut the paper pieces, and then the next thing what they do is they dip in this water. They dip in the water and take it back to their pots. Yeah, they make sure that the humidity in the pot is maintained well, so that is why they use the water stuff too. Yeah, you can see how happy they are. So I had the first pair of birds, baby birds, in the month of December 24th, and the next came exactly some 3 months after, somewhere in March end. Yeah, so I got 4 baby birds from the 2 pairs. So if you like my video, let me know. I can give you more information how to breed them. And this is their food. And this net what I have provided is, they try to spill all this food outside the cage, and then they make this place messy, you know. So now you can see the floor is very clean. If this net is not there, the floor will be fully dirty, covered with all the seeds, you know. So this is how I protect my flooring too. Yeah, they seem to be happy with my video. This I am airing right from Kuwait. The temperature here is above 50 degrees, so these birds won't survive the heat outside. So that is why we prefer to keep them in the cage and take good care of them. I have an aquarium too. You can see that. These are all my indoor stuff. And that's Kuwait outside. You can see all the children playing there. That's the best bakers. That's the jewelry shop, Orma Jewelry. I stay just opposite Best Bakers. Hey guys, you like my video? You can poke me. Yeah. Signing off from Kuwait, Shabu Matthew. Bye bye, take care.